Hey friends, if you wish to install Disney Plus on a Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. I will tell you why this is important because there is no app for Disney Plus either on the Microsoft Store or online. I actually checked it. If it was to be, it would have been on the Microsoft Store for sure because this isn't a banned application. There's nothing near it, and nor will you find it on the web. I have checked it extensively. If you find it, then let me know in the comment section. Now coming to this thing, can we open the website? Yes. So Disney Plus, and then we will go to this website disneyplus.com. In our country it is called hotstar.com, but in your country it will become disneyplus.com. Okay, so all you need to do is click on these three dots at the top right corner, select apps, install this site as an app, click on install, and it will open the app here. And I can also pin it to the taskbar, and this way I can access it easily from the taskbar itself. And now I can use it as a separate app on my system. If I by chance close it, all I need to do is search for Disney Plus on my system and I can open the app once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.